Actually, come over here.
Yeah.
Stand right.
I am in the tent. Mom and Dad set it up. And we're camping in this video with our friends, Sean and Avery. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Let me show you around. This is everybody.
Is it covered?
Not so have a dog.
At least I think.
Hey doggy. This is not gonna be any bad.
No. Kind of cook it top and bottom.
Like, wonder what this is gonna do with fire.
It's getting big trouble.
Got some cornbread. Chili. You guys like chili? Alright, ready?
I'm ready.
Think it'll work?
Well, what do you guys think?
Yeah.
I like your confidence.
It's cooked all the way.
Oh, the edges.
Ooh, it's like fluffy.
Hey, maybe. Cornbread. Hey guys, say we're camping.
I put 2 sleeping bags on, and I also had a thing that weighs me up to the best that you can get, and I got all of it. Now I heard his room. He's feeding dog food to there. I'm gonna feed him his dinner. Kanye, some dinner. I got pre-tail.
Campfire chili.
That's all
Roll.
That was this taller.
Nothing better.
What
What are you eating? Oh, those are spicy Doritos. Are they too hot? You gonna try my chili? Gonna try my chili?
They got it.
Jordan making a chili cheese dog. All right.
It's gonna be messy. Like, do you want any cheese?
So last time we made a checklist of things we didn't bring. Place to do dishes. Check. Blow up the beds. You having fun? Hey, what time is it? Our good friends from Omaha are joining us. And they're 3 awesome kids. So we gotta get our marshmallow. So who's like a gently toast and who's like I'm gonna get it on fire and then blow it out?
Me.
Cute.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
All right. Just kind of get a nice little.
Oh, that was a close one.
Was it a close one?
I think I'm almost finished.
Almost finished. Oh wow, yeah, yours is extra crispy. Is that good, Noel?
I want it.
Let me see.
You in the oven.
I don't know if this has ever been done, guys. We might be the first to try Mr. Beast s'mores.
No pressure,
Wait, Mom, I
Avery.
want to try it first.
Oh, it doesn't like.
Ooh.
No, I don't want to clap.
What flavor is it? There's so many.
I think I just got the original chocolate.
Okay, Mom, now give me.
You think the Mr. Beast bar is gonna be good on it?
I hope.
Taste test. What do you think? Once upon a time, long, long ago, in a campsite in Colorado, deep in the mountains, there were 3 little kids who decided to go on a camping trip. They heard something outside. They growled. It was a grizzly bear! When they got outside, it wasn't a bear. It was a tiny raccoon digging through their trash. And the twins went back to sleep. And they all woke up and had a beautiful day in the mountains. It is a cold morning. About 5:30, 40 degrees. Might get some coffee going. Try to warm up. Just trying to warm up by the fire here. Oh. We kind of got here late last night, so I pre-made some chili just so I could warm that up by the fire. We met our old friends from Nebraska. Went to school with Sean, and we used to go camping back when we were just couples. We got 6 kids between the 2 of us, so it's gonna be a fun trip, and I'm just gonna heat up some coffee and try to stay warm. Look who's awake. Got a few awake. Hey guy, how cold was it last night? It was very cold, wasn't it? I almost need, I think we need to share sleeping bags to stay warm. Can I share your sleeping bag? Yeah? Oh, nice and strong. Guys, I think the sunrise is about to come up. Look, over the mountains. Fresh hot coffee in the morning. Oh, one of the best things about camping. Oh. Whew. I better see if Jordan's awake and wants her cup. Babe? Jordan? We'll let her come out in a few minutes here.
Okay.
Oh, thanks.
Mom, do you know how?
Thanks, babe.
Do you know?
Maybe 2.
My Daddy.
Jordan and her morning coffee.
Soaking it all up. Looking at this beautiful view.
Let's see what's on the menu for breakfast. All right, what's for breakfast, Sean?
Guys,
I got so far.
I know how to pick him up. He loves when I
Ooh. Make some
He loves me.
Denny's. No, put him down, bud.
He loves it.
What do you tell Sean? Tell him thank you.
Thanks to Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
2 sausage, you said? You're welcome. 2 sausage?
Good.
Got a breakfast taco.
Oh,
We are just so cool and hip for that age, aren't we?
Ouch. Well, got breakfast done with. Now, see if we can catch any fish.
What?
Like literally right in the shoulder. And if we're not listening to that,
Oh my gosh!
Ready? Who wants to go to an island?
Me!
Alright, let's do it.
It's a paddle.
Okay.
I'll sit up. Me!
Hold on, bud.
I am holding on to you.
Are you on a paddle boat?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
To Mystery Island.
We're going to Mystery Island. Almost to the island. Alright. You wanna get off? Alright, here we go. Alright.
We made it, and now I'm gonna do it.
Alright, here, hop up. Don't want our transportation leaving us. Alright, well, we made it to the island.
Can I push?
There we go. Yep. Push it out a little bit. Oh.
Yeah, can I do it?
Okay, Ezzy. You showing us off? Okay. Looking good. We gotta back away from the island.
Okay, well.
So we gotta go this way. So put your paddle in here and then pull it. Yep, keep going. And then switch, yep. And then switch your hands. So move the hand that's on top. There you go. There you go. Looking good. We're gonna get back in no time. Can I just sit back and take a nap?
I think.
Alright, switch hands. There once was a ship that set to sea, and the name of the ship was a Billy O.T. Something, da-dun, da-dun, da-dun.
You did this. And I want you to cheat us.
These are like legit pickles.
I got it.
Alright, slight windstorm here. 10 seen better days.
He's gonna fire.
He's gonna make a fire like that.
Got it.
Oh yeah.
Finally.
I just did it. Sorry. It's okay, Mo. Yeah. I'm so sorry, buddy. That was my fault. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Now I have to sit on the bench.
Welcome to my kitchen. It's Father's Day, so we're making steak and potatoes. Not just any potatoes, my favorite, Hasselbeck. All right. Now you just put some butter in a bunch of the slices. Bet you never guessed what the secret ingredient is. Oh yeah, where's the worm?
Oh, I should have got more of those.
Do a little potato slayer
Yeah, put
right on top.
the belly of tea. No belly, boy.
All right, 2 more. You should want to put it right in the coals.
This is the boiling machine in
Just need to bake those for like an hour now. It's always like a complete mystery if they're cooking or if they're done. Hopefully it's not too hot. What we got going on, babe?
We are doing some corn on the cob to go with our amazing tomahawk.
Did you learn how to shuck corn in Nebraska?
Indiana, actually.
Oh, whatever. Father's Day present. Just gonna go salt, pepper, garlic. So the plan with this guy is to grill it and then slice it and then finish it on a cast iron with some garlic butter.
I'm gonna go put sunscreen on them. You okay?
Oh, get a little cross section. All right. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Yo. We got a cast iron heating up, and I'm gonna let this rest, and then slice her up, sear off. So my wife's probably freaking out because it's pretty rare, but it's just thick and it's hard to cook over fire. That's why I'm gonna finish it in the skillet. Now we just baste. Ooh, ooh, hot potato, hot potato, literally. All right, let's test it out here. No pressure. Just for dinner. Oh, a little burnt.
Oh, I love it. I love that.
Perfect. Making some popcorn. Hey, Harry. How do you like your hot dog cooked? Medium?
Medium.
Okay.
Okay, you have to eat.
Have some salt.
It's like a bomb.
Hasselbeck potatoes, a little burnt.
Actually, Harry,
Corn with a little char. Hey, what are you doing?
Putting salt on.
Yeah. How was it, Noel?
Just
dig in.
Thanks for an awesome Father's Day camping trip, guys.
Get me,
First bite.
Mommy. Get me a plate, but a lot of this. I love it.
Mmm.
She loves it.
You love my steak?
She wants a big plate with a lot of it. Hard to believe she.
If your 5-year-old daughter likes your steak, you did something right. Plus, look at my view here. My wife's like angelic with the sun behind her there. Check my wife's corn on the cob. What a great meal. Boil some water. So you're doing dishes with hot water. Genius. One more feature about the Stanley I just noticed. I don't know if you can see it, but they tell you how to put it back together.
I'm good, Dad.
Is it done?
Mine is done, Mom. Look at mine.
All right. Got Mr. Beast bar, Reese's.
Marshall or graham crackers.
I want Mr. Beast.
Oh, we barely.
All right.
I made a Mr. Beast.
How was it?
Oh, in a meat chocolate.
Oh wait, do you want it to be like this?
Good.
Let's
see.
Wait, we gotta hook Dad.
Perfect.
Can't cook you a steak, but I can cook you a marshmallow.
There you go. Father son fire action going on.
I love fire, but I
Okay.
don't like the smoke. The smoke keeps getting in my eyes.
Well, tomorrow we got breakfast, coffee, of course, and then hopefully get some fishing in, and then
Heading home.
yes, but first we are going to drive the highest paved road in North America. It's
Wait,
right
what?
over there somewhere.
All right. Can I
So-
be out?
That should be fun.
Maureen. Guess what day it is?
What? Moving day?
Father's Day. Love you guys.
Yeah, I'm just gonna.
There you go. Nice, bud. Thank you.
You're welcome.
First fire starter. Hey, that's your first fire you started.
Don't touch the okay.
Pre-made some of our campfire burritos. Oh yeah. Sausage, bacon, egg, potato, cheese, peppers. Mmm.
Don't forget the hot sauce.
Right? Little Father's Day breakfast. Burrito with some salsa. Mmm. Mmm.
Oh, God.
You ready to fish?
What?
All right, you're gonna catch a big one.
Maybe it'll be Daddy's lucky day.
Somebody's excited to go fishing.
Me, I'm excited.
Oh, you going fishing too?
Yes.
Mommy, you going fishing?
Going fishing. Got my coffee.
You got one?
Got
Let's
one.
see. Dude, you did it. Nice cast. Professional.
Okay,
Professional.
sis. Practicing anyways.
Nice cast, bud.
Gosh.
That was awesome. Got the bobbers in the pond.
Cheers, babe. Happy Father's Day.
Thanks.
Gorgeous day. Hold the button and then.
Let's go.
Professional. Bite.
We got it covered. Everyone hurry over.
We got a bite, guys. We got a bite. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on. Here, can you hold this, Noel?
I've got some.
You got a little fish? All right. Harry, you caught a rainbow trout.
Oh my gosh, Harry! Oh, that's beautiful!
Oh, look at that.
Happy Father's Day!
Here.
Look how pretty.
You want to hold your fish?
Hold it.
Oh my god!
Nice rainbow trout.
It's bleeding.
Fish on Father's Day. A little small,
Oh my gosh.
but he swallowed that hook and I don't think he would make it. So we're gonna
Eat him up.
do the humane thing and eat them. A little early lunch. Father's Day trout. Sounds delicious. All right.
Gonna have some trout?
Here, can you put that
Rainbow trout.
pan nice and hot? Where did all the butter go? All right, use what you got. Lay it away from you. Oh, there we go. Gonna use a little salt, pepper, and garlic. All right, I think we're done. Peels right off the bone.
There's a bone?
Oh yeah, trout's easy though to cook and clean and eat. Just, all right, I'll get you a small piece to try, okay? Oh, look, nice and flaky, yeah.
What, babe?
All right, Harry's first bite of trout that he caught. Would have been nice to have some butter and lemon, but you know what? Take what you get. Hard to beat, fresh trout on Father's Day. Mmm. Oh, we packed up. High five. I didn't think it was gonna fit. Worst part of camping is packing up, going home, smelling like smoke, trout. Oh, but it's worth it, isn't it, Noel?
I'm a drop in the ocean, just a face in a crowd waiting to be seen. Big dreams set in motion. I wanna go where no one's ever been. I would climb the highest mountain. I would dive the deepest sea, just so I could make you feel what
All right, we have, I think, made it to the top of North America's tallest highway, we think. And here we go. Oh.
Hands on the wheel, 10 and 2.
Bob and flips. Alright, we're at the top. Let's see if I can get up on top of these rocks.
I can see the world from up here, from up here, from up here.
A little short of breath.